Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to enhance video quality in Filmora. So basically there is multiple ways in Filmora to be able to increase the quality of your video and to be exporting it in the highest quality possible. And that means that the file will be big and it will be like a really big size of a file. But what matters for us is to get the file and we get it with the highest quality possible. So first, what I need you to do guys is to go ahead and open Filmora. Make sure that you are on your account and your free plan is activated. If not, just go ahead and sign into your account using Gmail or Facebook or Twitter account. Now, after that, you go here to the aspect ratio and choose the best ratio that you can get to be compatible with your project. For me guys, I will use the widescreen. If you have any other like ratio that will be compatible with it, just use it. So now let's create a new project. Now as you can see here, let me just drag my media, which will be this video. The first way to enhance the quality is after you drag the video in here. So basically what I'm going to do is go to settings from here and then go all the way down. Now here you will see this auto enhance. Basically look at this video so you can look at the difference. So when I will turn it on, it will completely change the colors and make it a little bit better. So here you go. As you can see, that's how when I turn it off and that's when I turn it on. Now if I made it all the way to the end, it is much better. So it makes the pixels much better looking and it hide anything that looks ugly on the image. So the second thing that I suggest you to do is when you go to export from here, make sure that you choose the higher quality, the higher resolution, and the higher FPS that you can get. So 60 FPS it is, and then click on export. Just like so, you will get the highest quality and you will enhance the quality of your video. So yeah guys, that was it for today's tutorial. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.